things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameron, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper of the day. It is Tuesday, April 28th. The month is almost over. Don't mess it up. I know you guys are having a good one. Let's check out the SPY. What's going on with the SPY? Well, we are having an outside day. We are going down. Yeah, which looks like we probably will test the 8 EMA. We tested it a couple of days ago, so we could actually get down to the 15 EMA if there are not enough buyers there. So keep that in mind if we do break below the 8, which is about 707.69. Our first trade was down to the 8. If I have to map out, and that is S3. If I have to map out another trade in the rooms today, I will. All right, I don't want you to miss any big moves, but 710. We're going to be bearish below 710. That's our next level. Okay, we were bearish below 711.75, but we did come down and hit a couple targets. We were bullish above 715. That was when we were a bit higher. 712.50. Or 712.25. Yeah, we may be able to scalp a trade right in here if we do break above this Camarilla. Just watch the VWAP. You always want to be above where most of the volume trades for the day. All right, let's go to the IWM. What's going on with the Russell? Well, we did have a heavy dark pool level. 3 million yesterday, 276.82. Yeah, we did. It's pretty heavy. So we're going bearish below that, which we are below right now. Let me just pull up the chart here. All right, our next, and we just tagged the 8 EMA too. Very popular pattern. So we're going to have to go below that for our next trade. So 274. Bearish below 274. Our next trade is going to be down to here. We may even fill in the gap. Here was the gap trade. They like to take it to the strongest level before the gap, pop it up, and then go down and do the fill. So today might be the fill. May have to remap all these trades out for you guys. QQQ. Bullish above 661, bear below 659. Wow. The market really did take a pretty big, deep dive. 655. Give me a sec. Yeah, whenever we get close to S3, we got to pull up S4 and S5. And it looks like we're going there. So 655 down to 651.90 is a very big pocket. So that's going to be our next trade setup. All right, let's go to the E-minis. We had a couple of new whale trades yesterday on those guys. We put them in there. We're going to be bullish above 72.02, bear below 71.80. We just hit all of our targets. All right, we can go back to sleep, you guys. We hit all our targets for today. We could always find a new trade. Yeah, but look what's happening right now. Right now, we are touching down on the 8 EMA. So this is really where we want to watch because there's our next pocket down to about 7,100. So bear below 71.50. All right, down to 71,160. That's S3. Okay. Wow, everything is going. Nasdaq futures bullish above 27,352, bear below 27,250. We already tagged the 8 EMA. So next level 27,000. All right, 27,000, bear below, and again, same exact trade down to the 15 EMA. That's our next big support level there. Oil going up today. That is pushing down the market. Yeah, we went above that 100 level. We did have massive oil trades yesterday. Thank you, Tim, for posting those pictures. And of course, we've had a lot of big prints on some oil stocks. So let's just see. Hold on a second. This is a little bit delayed, but oh wow, we just had a pretty big move. Oh, so we have some news coming out right now. Yeah, the UAE decides to exit OPEC. That's why we just got this huge move in oil futures. Bullish above 101. All right, that's going to be my next level since we already went up and hit some targets. 101. And then bear below, still 96.80. I went below those whale prints. Here they are from yesterday. All right, let's see. Is gold moving around? It's the most active live whisper I think I've done in a while. Gold futures bullish above 46.50. Yep, we did go below 4,600. So our next level is going to be 45.75. Bear below 45.75. Okay, below S3. Yeah, we did the first test. We bounced. If we go below it again, that's when we want to go short. And then we've got Bitcoin futures. Bullish above 78,250. Bear below 76,000. All right, let's head on over to some individual stocks. Have they all moved around a lot? Let's see. BP after earnings. Bullish above 48. Bear below 47.25 is triggering right now. And there it goes. You can trade pre-market, by the way, you guys. GM, General Motors, bullish above 82.50, bear below 81. Already came down quite a bit. Yeah, whenever we retrace down to the 4 and the 8, yeah, this is a tough spot. Yeah, to go outside would be down here. We're probably going to get stuck. We would look for the next bullish trade, maybe above 81, possibly if it bounces here. Let me, yeah, I would say, yeah, 81. Bullish above 81 for GM. Intel. Bullish above 83, bear below 81.50. All right, that one's still good. Silver, bullish above 66.50, bear below 65.75. That one is still good. Qualcomm, bullish above 148, and the bear trade is on. Bear below 144, so 143.50. 143 is another level, and 142.50. Couple levels there. Oracle, bullish above 164, bear below 159.50. And Joby, yeah, did you see Joby's price action yesterday after the bell? Went all the way to 9.50. I'm wondering if we're going to retest that or not, but bullish above 9.50. Look at the volume that came in yesterday. A lot. Bear below 8.25. And there are your whispers for Tuesday, April 28th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive trading rooms. Go to thedarkpools.com and I'll see you inside. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.